Why, welcome! It's Kat right here. So today the project we will be doing is planting some emerald green arborvitaes along a fence line to create a natural border, or in other words, privacy from neighbors. So the reason we picked the emerald green arborvitaes is it's an evergreen. It will grow about 4 feet apart. They get about 10 feet tall. And like I said, it's an evergreen, so it just creates a nice border. And yeah, that's our project for the day. Now we're gonna go to Home Depot and get a whole bunch of these. Okay, we're at Home Depot. We're getting some arborvitaes for along the fence line. We've already got some here. We're planning on getting about 10 of them. Josh dug the ditch here. We moved and we flattened this dirt out. Now we're going to be planting the emerald green Arborvitaes along the fence line here. We're going to start it, here's the gate. We're going to start it about 2.5 feet from here. Then we're going to put it 4 feet apart all along this fence line, so it'll make it kind of a natural fence there. We've made one small change. Instead of putting an arborvitae right here, about 2.5 feet from the gate, we're gonna be moving it further away so we can plant a shorter plant right here next to the fence. So we got all the plants laid where we're going to be planting them. Now let's get planting. So one thing that I wanted to show you is this dirt here is really thick and really clay-like and really clumpy. So when I'm putting the plant in, I'm going to put in some potting soil around it so it's a little bit easier for the small little trees to get some roots going. So we've chosen to plant all these arborvitaes about 4 feet apart. So that's 4 feet right there, 4 feet right there. So as I've been driving around, was trying to decide to do the arborvitaes, I saw people planting them like 2 feet apart, and it was squishing them just a little bit too much. So that's why we've chosen 4 feet apart, because that will just give them both room, give them all room to get some good growth in, but it won't smush them together too much. And they're about 2 feet, maybe a little bit further away from the fence and away from the ditch, just right there in the middle, so they can have some good growing room. Today is we flood our field every week, so the water comes in down the ditch and kind of floods over, and then that's how these will get watered on a weekly basis, as they will get flooded. So let's plant the rest of them. Well, we are all done planting the arborvitaes. So once again, we planted 12 arborvitaes along the fence line for a privacy fence. They'll get about 10 feet tall, and they are evergreen, which, as you know, will be green all year long. So thanks for watching, and remember, work hard, play hard, have a great day.